Good morning, students. Today, in the chapter Quadratic equation, let us solve some more word problems. In my previous video, that is Quadratic equation part 6, we have solved a good number of problems. The sentence problems or word problems, what we call, we have solved, and there are still more problems yet to be solved. And let us see some more problems on this word problems. Okay. Let me start the first problem. The altitude of a right angled triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. 7 centimeter less than its base. Full stop and continue. If the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter, then find other two sides of the triangle. This is the question. Let us understand first what is given. The altitude of a right angled triangle. They have given a right angled triangle, and what they say, the altitude of a right angled triangle is 7 centimeter less than its base. Compared to base, height is less. How much less? 7 centimeter less. So what I will do, I will take this as x. I will take the base as x, and altitude is 7 centimeter less than the base, and this is x. I can call this as x minus 7 because this is 7 centimeter less. Altitude is 7 centimeter less. So then this is x. This is x minus 7. By chance, if the problem is given, what? Altitude of right angle triangle is 7 centimeter more. 7 centimeter more. You have taken x and x plus 7. Okay. Further, they say hypotenuse is 13. Find the other two sides. This is a right angle triangle. You can apply the Pythagoras theorem. In triangle ABC, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC square 13 square is equals to AB square. AB square means x minus 7 the whole square plus BC square is x square. This is again a minus b the whole square. You can expand. 13 square is 169 is equals to a minus b the whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square x square minus 2 into a into b. A into b. My dear children, b is not minus 7. This is 7 only because it is in the form of a minus b. B means 7. B means 7. Plus b square, 7 square plus x square. Simplify. X square plus x square, 2x square. If you simplify this, minus 14x plus 49. What is equals to? 169 is equals to. Okay. I will transfer this 169 to the RHS. I can say 0 is equals to 2x square minus 14x plus 49 minus 169. Therefore, 2x square minus 14x. If you simplify this will be minus 120 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. I can take 2 as a common. X square minus 7x minus 60 is equals to 0. This will go to the denominator of RHS 0 by 2. So this 2 will go. If you multiply 60, if you subtract 7, multiply 60, subtract 7, 12 and 5. 12 and 5. It is 12 and 5. Which 12 and which 5? Out of these two, the bigger one will get this sign, minus 12 and plus 5. X backside is equals to 0. They are called as the factors. Therefore, x minus 12 is equals to 0. X plus 5 is equals to 0. Therefore, x is equals to plus 12. X is equals to minus 5. I say x is equals to minus 5 is rejected because length cannot be negative. The length cannot be negative, always it must be positive. So x is equals to 12. Therefore, x is equals to 12. What is the x? Base. Therefore, base of the triangle is equals to 12 centimeters, and height of the triangle is equals to how much? Height of the triangle, x minus 7. X minus 7, that means 12 minus 7 is equals to 5 centimeter is the answer. Here, before you start this, you can start your problem from here. Let base of the triangle be x. Therefore, height is equals to x minus 7 centimeter. This is also same. From here, we can start this. Okay. This is all about your problem. Let me go for one more problem. First, I will write the problem. You try to understand this. Okay. A train takes 3 hours less for a journey of 360 kilometers if its speed is increased by 10 kilometers per hour than the usual speed. Find the usual speed of the train. Usual speed of the train. My dear children, this is one of the most important, I can say one of the most important question from the examination point of view. If you go through your old CBSE question papers, such questions you can find. Might be different in number, but this type of problems frequently asked in the examination. So I will solve 1, 2 or 3 problems of this type and try to understand. Okay? For the first problem, you may find it little difficult in understanding. Don't worry, let me solve after this. Let me solve 2 more problems of the same type. Okay? Till I clear the board, just you can read it and try to understand what is given and what you have to find. Okay. A train takes 3 hours less for a journey of 360 km if its speed is increased by 10 kilometers per hour than the usual speed. Listen, I first explain. See, a train every day goes from say Hubli to Bangalore. It is going. Its distance is 360 km. Every day it is going with the usual speed. I don't know what is the usual speed the train is going. With a particular speed, a train is going from Hubli to Bangalore. A particular day, the speed of the train is increased by 10 kilometers. Say, for example, every day if it is going by 80 km per hour, that particular day the train is going with 90 km per hour, 10 km more than the usual speed. Instead of 80, it is going with the speed of 90 km. As a result, when the speed is more, naturally time when you are going with more speed, the time taken will be less. Because the train is going with little higher speed, they say it is taking 3 hours less than the usual day. Every day how much time it was taking? Compared to that one, it is taking 3 hours less. Say for example, every day from Hubli to Bangalore, the train is taking 8 hours. It is taking 8 hours. That day, since the speed is more, instead of 8 kilometers, it is taking 3 hours less. Means in the 5 hours only the train has reached to Bangalore. Now they are asking you to find the usual speed of the train. This is the question. How to start? Listen very carefully. I will start. Let the usual speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Listen very carefully. Don't write in between. Listen first. I don't know what is the usual speed, that I have assumed it as x kilometer per hour. Okay. Distance traveled is equals to 360 kilometer. My dear children, you are having a formula. Speed is equals to distance traveled divided by time taken. This is a popular formula. We have used it in the linear equation 2 variable also to solve the problems of boat. Here also I am using it. Now, see, distance traveled is known to me. Speed I have assumed as x kilometer. I want what is the time taken. So I will cross multiply this formula. Therefore, time taken is equals to distance traveled divided by speed. This is the formula I am using. See, time taken is equal to distance traveled by speed. That means if the distance traveled is divided by speed, I will get the time. Listen very carefully. If the distance traveled is divided by speed, I will get time. See, distance traveled is here, speed is here. If I divide those two, I will get time taken. I will write now, therefore, time taken is equals to time taken by the train to reach to Bangalore with the usual speed. How much time it will take? It is 360 divided by x. Why is it 360 by x? See, the formula is time taken is equal to distance by speed. Distance is 360. Speed is x. So 360 by x is the time taken. The unit is hours. So train has taken 360 by x hours. How much is this? I don't know, because x is unknown for me. So I don't know what is the answer for this. Let me keep it as it is. Now what happens? A particular day the speed is increased by 10 kilometers per hour. I will start now. If speed is increased, then speed of the train is, then the speed of train. If the speed is increased, then speed of the train. Regular is going with x. Now it is increased by 10, so it is x plus 10 is what? Speed of the train. This is kilometers per hour. Instead of x, it's going with x plus 10. Speed is increasing. But whatever the distance traveled, that remains the same. Because earlier also train was going from Hubli to Bangalore. Now also going from Hubli to Bangalore, the distance remains the same. So distance how much? Same 360. I will find that therefore the time taken is equals to, right here only. Therefore time taken. Now see here. Earlier time taken how much? 360 by x. 360 by x. Now it is 360 divided by. See, time taken formula, distance by speed. Distance traveled how much? 360. What is the new speed? New speed, x plus 10. I will write here 360 by x plus 10. What is this? Time taken. This is in hours. The next part is very important. The next part is very, very important. Now listen to me. What is this? 360 by x, hours. 360 by x plus 10, this is also hours. Both are hours. I will compare both. I will write 360 by x is equals to 360 divided by x plus 10. Totally wrong. Totally wrong. I can't say these two are equal. No. Why they are not equal? They say with the increased speed, it has taken 3 hours less. See, they are not equal. This is also hours. They say with the increased speed, it has taken 3 hours less. That means 3 hours less. That means regularly if it is taking 10 hours, here it is 3 hours less, means 7 hours only it has taken. 7 hours only it has taken. So to balance this, where there is less, there I have to add. Where there is less, there I have to add. Now see here time taken is more, here time taken is less, because more is the speed, less is the time. So here the value is less, value is more. So here since the value is less, how much less? 3 hours less. So I have to add here plus 3. This point has to be noticed. Many of the students are making a mistake. What they will do? They will feel that here it is speed is more, so let us add here. No, when the speed is more, time is less. This here time is less, so I have to add it so that both will be balanced. Okay, now let me start. 360 by x. Now I will shift it to this side. Minus 360 by x plus 10 is equals to 3. I will simplify the drawing like this. In both places 360 is common. I will take 360 as a common into bracket 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 10 is equals to 3. Let it be here only. 360 let me keep it as it is into. Take the LCM. X into x plus 10 is the LCM. Come on. Compare these two. X plus 10 into 1. It is x plus 10 minus these two are same. From here you multiply. Minus x is equals to 3. X gets cancelled. What is left? 360 into 10. 360 into 10. 3600. Divided. But open the bracket. X square plus 10x is equals to 3. Is equals to cross multiply. 3600 is equals to 3x square plus 30x plus 30x. Okay, I will continue here. Okay, come on. I will bring this to the RHS and I will write 0 is equals to 3x square plus 30x minus 3600. Right? 0 is equals to 3x square plus 30x minus 3600. Okay. What I can write now? I will take 3 as a common into bracket. X square plus 10x. 10x, if you take 3 as a common, minus 1200 is equals to 0. Okay. 3 will go here. Remove this. If you multiply 1200, if you subtract 10, multiply 1200, subtract 10, middle terms are 40 and 30. See, multiply 4 to 1200 and you subtract this 10. Sign 1 plus and 1 minus. This will go to the bigger number plus and minus. I can write directly x plus 40, x minus 30 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Come on. X plus 40 is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 40. X minus 30 is equals to 0, therefore x is equals to 30. My dear children, what is x? The usual speed of the train. The speed cannot be negative. The speed cannot be negative. I can say therefore x is equals to minus 40. Not required. X is equals to minus 40 is rejected. Rejected. Therefore x is equals to 30. What is x? Therefore the usual speed of the train is equals to. Therefore usual speed of train is equals to how much? 30 kilometers per hour is the answer. My dear children, this is a complete problem of 4 marks in the examination. Very simple. Since in the first problem you might have, some of you might have found it as difficult. My dear children, I will solve you one more problem. Definitely will understand still better in my next problem. Till then, note it first. Let us take one more problem, which is quite similar to the problems what I have solved earlier. Okay, and we'll solve this. Let me first make you understand what is the meaning of the problem. Aeroplane takes 1 hour less. It takes 1 hour less. When? Under what condition? For a journey of 1200 kilometers, this is the distance traveled, 1200 kilometers. If its speed is increased by 100 kilometers per hour, see, the aeroplane is flying with a particular speed. If that speed is increased by 100 kilometers per hour, then the time taken will be 1 hour less. Compared to what? When the aeroplane is going with the usual speed, how much time it was taking? Compared to that, it is taking 1 hour less. When? If the speed is increased by 100 kilometers per hour. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, how to start? See, find its usual speed. Let the usual speed be what? X kilometer per hour. Let the usual speed be x kilometer per hour. Then I will take distance traveled. Distance traveled is equals to 1200 kilometers. 1200 kilometers. Again, wait for the formula. Speed is equals to distance traveled by time taken. I know the speed. I know the distance traveled. That means I need formula for time taken. Time taken is equals to distance traveled by speed. This is the formula I have to choose. Okay. Now, usual speed x, assume distance traveled is equals to 1200 kilometers. I can find the time taken. Therefore, time taken is equals to formula distance traveled by speed. Distance traveled is 1200. The speed is x, this much in hours. This much in hours. One part is over. Now, if the speed is increased by 100 km per hour, earlier it was x km per hour is the speed, now it is increased by 100. Okay. If speed is increased, then speed of aeroplane. If speed is increased, then the speed of the aeroplane is equal. Earlier it was x. Now the speed is increased. Then what is the new speed of the aeroplane? It is x plus 100. Earlier it was x km per hour. Now increased by 100. Then x plus 100 kilometers per hour. No need to write the distance traveled. That is same. Distance traveled, no changes. I will write therefore directly time taken. Time taken. Formula for time taken what? Distance traveled by speed. Distance traveled is 1200 divided by speed. New speed x plus 100. X plus 100. This is also in hours. Now I have to compare. Okay. This is also one timing. This is in hours. This is also timing. This is in hours. I will compare both. 1200 divided by x, this is one time, is equals to 1200 divided by x plus 100. My dear children, both timings are not same. Definitely are not same. Why? When the speed is more, it is taking 1 hour less. When the speed is more, it is taking 1 hour less. This is taking 1 hour less compared to this. This is taking 1 hour less, means here I have to add 1. This is plus 1 I have to add. Where there is less, see, speed is more, time is less. Since time is less, add 1 here. See, I will tell you one thing here. Sometimes they will give you, instead of 1 hour, they will give you 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Sometimes students are making the mistake, they will add here plus 30. No, my dear children, 30 minutes means it has to be converted into hours. 30 by 60, 1 by 2 hour, right here, plus 1 by 2. Because this is everything in hours. This is given in minutes, converted into hour. 30 minutes is equal to 30 by 60. 1s are 2s are 1 by 2 hour. Right here, plus 1 by 2. Now it is 1 hour. I add here plus 1. What I will do next? Shift it to the LHS. 1200 divided by x minus 1200 divided by x plus 100 is equals to 1. Is equals to 1. I will take 1200 as common into bracket 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 100 is equals to 1. 1200 into bracket, take the LCM. X into x plus 100 is the LCM. Okay. And these two are same. This into 1, that is x plus 100 minus, these two are same. X into 1 is equals to x is equals to 1. X gets cancelled. What is left? What is left over right here? Okay. 1200 into bracket what? 100. Sorry, 1200 into 100. That gives you again 2 zeros. 2 zeros divided by, open the bracket, x square plus 100x is equals to 1. Cross multiply. It is 1,20,000 is equals to x square plus 100x. 100x. Take it to the other side. So it is 0 is equals to x square plus 100x minus 1,20,000. 1,20,000. My dear children, what are the big terms? Don't think that it is a very big number. How to find? It's very simple. 12. 4 3s, that is 400 and 300 are the middle terms. See, subtract 100, multiply 4 3s are 12. 1 2 3 4 zeros. 4 zeros. So 400 and 300 are the middle terms. Which sign? Plus 400 and minus 300. So I can write here x plus 400, x minus 300 is equals to 0. X is equals to, or x plus 400 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to minus 400. X minus 300 is equals to 0. Therefore x is equals to plus 300. So x is equals to minus 400 is rejected. X is equals to minus 400 is rejected. Why it is rejected? The speed cannot be negative. Therefore, usual speed of the train is, therefore, usual speed of aeroplane is equals to 300 kilometers per hour is the answer. distance. This is another problem. We have solved such problems of downstream and upstream in the linear equation two variable. There we used to solve the problem with two variables, that is the speed of the boat Vx, speed of the stream Vy, then downstream x plus y, upstream x minus y. Those who have not seen those video, just you can go and see the linear equations in two variable. The problems on speed, distance and time. We have solved such problems. Okay. Now let us go for this problem. What they ask? The speed of the boat in still water. Still water means stagnant. Stagnant. There is no flow. The stagnant water. The speed of the boat is 8 km per hour. Okay. It can go 15 km upstream. Upstream means boat is going like this. Okay. Boat is going like this and water is coming like this. This is called upstream. Like we are climbing a hill, or we are cycling, and what you can say, a small up is there. This is called as upstream. Downstream is both are going in the same direction. See, water and boat, they are going in the same direction. Is called as the downstream. What they ask me? Find the speed of the stream. So how to start? Let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. X kilometer per hour. Let the speed of the stream be x kilometer per hour. Okay. Now, speed of the boat is 8 kilometer per hour. I will write, therefore, speed of the boat in downstream. Downstream means both are in the same direction. 8 km is the speed of the boat. X kilometer is the boat's speed of the water. Together is 8 plus x kilometer per hour. This is called as downstream. Downstream means both are in the same direction. Boat is going with 8 km. Water also moving in the same direction. So both together, the resultant speed will be 8 plus x km per hour. I will write the speed of the boat in upstream. Upstream means the boat and water, they are in the opposite direction. The boat is going like this, water is coming in the opposite direction. So the resultant speed is 8 minus x kilometer per hour. Okay. What we got? We got the speed. And let's say 15 kilometer upstream and 22 kilometer downstream. See, I will apply the formula. Speed is equals to distance traveled by time taken. Now let me write here. Okay. Distance traveled in upstream. Distance traveled in upstream, how much? 15 kilometers. Okay? And that I will find out, therefore, time taken is equals to, see, upstream, 8 minus x is the speed is known, distance traveled is known, upstream 15 kilometers. I want time means time is equals to distance by speed. Distance divided by speed is 8 minus x. This much hours is the time taken. Time taken in what? Time taken in the upstream. I will take this entire story in the later. First let me clear the upstream. I will write clearly. Speed of boat in upstream. This much. Distance traveled in upstream is this much. Therefore, time taken is equal to formula. Time taken is equals to distance traveled by speed. Distance traveled is 15. Speed is 8 minus x. This much is the hours. Okay, let me write. Second part. Speed of the boat in downstream is equals to Downstream, it is 8 plus x kilometer per hour. Downstream means both are in the same direction, it has to be added. Okay. Now, distance traveled is different for the downstream. For the downstream, it is 22 kilometer. I will write distance traveled in downstream is equals to 22 kilometers. Therefore, time taken is equals to. Therefore, time taken is equals to what? Time taken. Distance by speed. Distance is 22 divided by 8 plus x. This much what? Hours. This much hours is the time taken. Now they say both the time taken together it is 5 hours. Now it is very simple. According to the condition, both the time taken can be added. I will write therefore according to the condition. According to the condition. What is it according to condition? 15 divided by 8 minus x plus 22 divided by 8 plus x is equals to 5 hours. Is equals to 5 hours. Come on, take the LCM. 8 minus x into 8 plus x. Okay? These two are same. With this you multiply here. 15 into 8 plus x plus. These two are same. With this you multiply here. 22 into 8 minus x is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. Okay? Simplify. 15 is 120 plus 15 into x, 15x, 22 8s are 160, 16, 176, 176. Am I right? 16 carry 170. Okay. Plus 22x or minus 22x. It is minus 22x. Whole divided. It is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. A square 64. A square. 8 square minus x square. It is a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square is equals to 5. Is equals to 5. Simplify. 176, 296 minus 7x is equals to, I will cross multiply 5 into 64 minus x. 296 minus 7x is equals to, this is 320, 320, yes, minus 5x square. Since x square is the highest degree, since it is negative, I will bring both to the LHS. 296 minus 7x plus 5x square minus 320 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. Okay. Come on. First term, 5x square minus 7x. 296 and 320 minus 24. Minus 24. Yes. Minus 24 is equals to 0. If you multiply, you should get 24 5s are. If you multiply, you should get 24 5s are 120. And if you subtract 7, middle terms, 15 8s, middle terms are 15 and 8. 15 and 8. See, multiply 120, subtract 7. Which sign? 15 minus and 8 plus. But I can't write directly because here x square behind the coefficient is 5. So I will go for the complete method. 5x square minus 15x plus 8x minus 24 is equals to 0. 5x common into bracket x minus 3 plus x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 3 into 5x plus 8 is equals to 0. Is equals to 0. So it is x minus 3 into, okay, x minus 3 is equals to 0, 5x plus 8 is equals to 0, therefore x is equals to 3, x is equals to minus 8 by 5. What is x? X is the speed. X is the speed. I will say x is equals to minus 8 by 5 is rejected as the speed cannot be negative. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, x is equals to 3 is the answer. What is x? Therefore, the speed of the stream is equals to 3 kilometers per hour is the answer. My dear children, this is how the problem has to be solved of one variable. Okay, we'll stop our session here, and probably there are few more problems left out. Whatever the problems are left out, I will all correct, and one more video will be done under this word problems. Okay, students, practice well. Similar problems we find from any book, from the textbook you can practice, and by next video you will be perfect in all these problems. Okay, bye.